Is it true that jeans are not elegant to wear? No, it's not true. Of course not, ladies. However, there is a very specific reason to why I don't recommend wearing certain jeans if you want to dress elegant. Oh, if you are here for the first time, then make sure you click that subscribe button, wherever it is, I don't know, so that you get notified every Sunday when I release a new video on elegance, personal and lifestyle transformation. So let's dive straight into why I want women to avoid certain jeans when they style themselves to look elegant. You see, when we dress elegantly, I think a lot of us, we do it, not only to feel good about ourselves, but also because we want to stand out a little bit from the masses, We don't want to wear what absolutely every other Joe out there is wearing. And unfortunately, jeans is worn by every other Joe out there. And that is because it is the most common garment out there, because it's a staple in the wardrobe and it's really easy to wear. So if you really want to move away from kind of your old plain Jane self, then you really need to start thinking about, okay, what garments are going to elevate me now? And jeans are not going to elevate you, but they can still be part of your wardrobe. And that's what we're going to talk about. How to make it work. You definitely need to be mindful about jeans for this reason. I'm talking about the texture. Ladies, it is bulky and it's thick, meaning that it does add width to us. And the jeans kind of overall style is actually also like very casual, a little bit masculine. So if you are here on my channel because of the elegance and femininity content, then you probably have to be very thoughtful of what jeans you're going to wear, so that you are not now looking more, casual, relaxed, and maybe more like a man. Now that's one, but what about what jeans to avoid? And you have probably heard me talk about the skinny blue jean a lot on this channel. And ladies, not my most favorite. However, the most commonly used jean out there. The funny thing, and actually a little bit irony of this whole skinny jean trend era, is that it's really not flattering for most body shape. It does work well for women who have very long, slender legs, but most of us don't have that. Most of us look like stuffed sausages when we put the skinny jean on. And what happens then is that we actually end up looking bulkier and shorter in a skinny jean than if we would have worn, let's say, a jean that I am wearing right now, a little bit more flared and cut in a way that your legs don't look so short. However, look at this now. Okay, ladies, you are not often seeing me wearing this. I do own these jeans because sometimes I do like to wear skinny jeans in boots, and that's, why not? However, I would not just go out like this. I feel like this makes me look short. Look how I look. I look bigger, bulkier, and I look heavier than in my previous jeans. What happens is that when things are slick like this, it emphasizes on the width of the leg, and you actually look bulkier and shorter in a skinny jean. And I am now referring this if you wear it with flats, with boots, and with sneakers, which is what most people do. It's really bad, ladies, because it does cut off the leg. And also, the bulkier shoe you're wearing, the more illusion it's going to give you of shorter legs, because you're putting bulk in the very bottom. So if you want to wear skinny jeans, that's fine, as long as you maybe wear it with heels, because that elongates the leg, or maybe inside a boot. Oh, by the way, ladies, I have more examples of elegance mistakes that you should avoid doing in my free workshop called the 10 Brutal Mistakes that show you're not elegant and how to fix these mistakes. Ladies, you have to check out this workshop after my video go to 10elegancemistakes.com. It's absolutely free and available only for a limited amount of time, so don't miss. So what are some other genes to avoid? And I've spoken a lot on my channel about the mom gene because, you know, the cut is quite unflattering, especially, you know, when it looks a bit like a diaper. And it also gives this very masculine look that regular fitted jeans don't really give you that look. I would also avoid ripped jeans for, I think, obvious reasons. They just look a bit too nonchalant and not appropriate. And what else? Bedazzled jeans, you know, it's not 2001 anymore. So yes, those are some example, ladies. But I think overall, it's a lot also to do with the color. I think that the kind of typical traditional blue jean that I showed you just now, it gives this very kind of common look. Although I don't mind dark color jeans, but sometimes the like typical blue jean look is just not going to be elevating you. And by the way, when I tell you, ladies, to avoid wearing, you know, these kind of jeans, this doesn't mean that there's absolutely no way to make these jeans look elegant. And the reason for that is women who know how to style themselves, women who have advanced styling skills, they can wear whatever jeans they want because they know how to wear jeans and make it look elegant in their own way. However, here on my platform, I'm communicating to the general masses, and majority of you ladies, I know that you might not have advanced styling skills. So I want to give you a foolproof method where I know that you are not going to go wrong if you apply these tips. Okay, but how do we wear jeans elegantly? And many people ask me if I wear jeans, and as you can see, I do wear jeans, and I do wear especially jeans at home. In fact, these are my home jeans. This is a typical Anna Bay look for home. And I want to tell you a little bit about this look because these are Victoria Beckham jeans that are one size too big for me, and I even bought them on sale. I think I paid like, I don't know, 30 euros or something like that. So they were very affordable. And on my top, I like to wear something cozy, especially now during fall and winter season. I love V-necks as an example. And I like to wear light colors because I feel like it elevates you so much more than when you are diving deep into the darkness, you know? Other times you might see me wear jeans is especially when I do very casual activities, or maybe I do some work around the house. And I do believe that jeans really do have a place and time for them, just like with any other garment. Like, as an example, I would personally not put on jeans when I go to a private members club, or I don't know, to a cocktail party, or to a fine dining restaurant. I just find that it's a little bit inappropriate and way too casual for the venue. As a substitute, you will therefore see me wear more tailored trousers as a replacement for jeans because I simply feel that they will elevate my look more and feel more elegant than a jean would do. And by the way, that's a little tip if you want to elevate yourself in an everyday, you know, occasion. Skip the jean. Just wear a nice tailored trouser instead. You're going to look so much more expensive this way, trust me. Now, and one more thing about the color. So you need to know that white jeans are actually easier to style than the typical traditional blue jeans. And that's because you can wear literally any color on top together with white. And sometimes the blue jean, not every color on top works, you know? Anyway, speaking of colors, besides wearing my favorite color, white, which I understand it might not be for everyone, because I see this a lot in my comments, especially people are afraid that it gets dirty. And leave me a comment below, ladies, if you feel like this or if you actually wear white trousers. Anyway, I need to tell you, ladies, that I am a very clumsy person and I do actually spill regularly on myself. Even though I am like this, I still manage to live a white pant lifestyle, you know, with great success. And I think it's a little bit of a myth that people think that they will be dirty all the time if they wear white. And sometimes it does happen, but all you have to do then is to just throw it into the wash. Okay, but if I had to choose another color to wear as my jeans, I would definitely opt for kind of a very dark blue. I think they are often quite chic. I also think that bootcut and flare jeans worn together with heels, you know, when the leg gets really long and elongated. You look so tall because, you know, the shoes are being hidden by the flared or bootcut pants. And I think this is such a wonderful way of wearing jeans for literally any body type. I also did mention to you about wearing jeans with kind of riding style boots or just, you know, high kind of knee level boots of some sort. That's a really nice look for, let's say, the countryside or something like that. Kate Middleton likes to do it a lot. But you know, there is one more recommendation I really have to give you. And ladies, wear jeans as a dress. That looks incredibly feminine, and you can find some really beautiful jeans dresses. So don't miss out on that one. If you are someone a bit older and you want to dress younger, then definitely use jeans. Jeans look more youthful, and if you incorporate more jeans in your wardrobe, then that's going to make you look more younger simply. Now ladies, you have two choices right now. Either you go to 10elegancemistakes.com and watch this free workshop that I told you about, or you watch my next video called 10 tips to look effortlessly expensive and put together, because there I'm going to share with you some secret hacks that I personally use to look my best. Now ladies, I will see you in that video.